Well, a lot of you recognize Purdue superfan Tyler Trent. He inspired people around the world and right here in Indiana as he battled bone cancer while rooting on his beloved Boilermakers. Tyler died in January of 2019. He was only 20 years old. Before he passed away, he donated his stem cells to IU researchers and the hope that pediatric cancer would one day be wiped out. And joining me this morning in the studio, Karen Pollock, Associate Professor of Pediatrics at the Indiana University School of Medicine. Karen, good to see you. Thank you for coming in to talk with us about this. You knew Tyler personally.
Yes, I did. I had the privilege to meet him really in kind of the last months that he was with us and know his parents quite well.
Donating his stem cells was really brave. Tell me about that.
Absolutely. The type of stem cells that Tyler donated to us was actually part of his tumor specimen that we got.
Okay.
The type of bone cancer that he has is called osteosarcoma. And these stem cells are very rare components of these tumors and can be very resistant to therapy. So that's one reason we're studying them.
How have those stem cells helped in your research? You're able to basically take a personalized approach to this, right?
Absolutely.
And then you mentioned there's some HIPAA laws involved.
Absolutely. So typically what happens is that a patient comes into Riley Hospital, they will get DNA sequencing, sometimes RNA sequencing done, but it's all de-identified research based on HIPAA. So when we get tumor specimens into our lab, we do not know who these patients are.
Okay.
Tyler was a very curious young man and wanted to know.
He wanted you all to know.
Yeah, he wanted us to know, wanted to know what happened to his samples. And so the family and Tyler gave permission to break the code, and we found out we actually had 2 models that we had generated from Tyler's tumor specimens.
And you said these models are so rare.
Yes, they're extremely rare. I mean, there's just several hundred cases really nationally every year. So to get these types of samples that are in a refractory state, means they're very aggressive, gives us just multiple opportunities to study novel ways to treat these tumors.
Okay, he also raised thousands of dollars for cancer research. How is that helping? I can only imagine it's a big deal.
Yeah, the thing that's been so wonderful about working with the Trent family is their ability to really see this in a large sense in terms of helping raise money for the Riley Hospital for Children as well as Purdue University. So there are a lot of initiatives going on at both places.
Right.
There's a wonderful grant mechanism that the Trent set up at Purdue that I've been involved in a little bit, plus the monies that we get at Riley to really study really underexplored personalized therapies.
And because of all of that and because of who he was, he inspired others to donate as well.
Yes, we've had a number of cases, again, many de-identified to us, but still a handful where people are kind of reaching out.
A lot of people still don't know.
They don't know, and these are specimens that, you know, priority is always diagnosis. You know, that's the first priority, and then the research if there's, you know, ample tissue available for us to study.
Well, we definitely will not forget Tyler Trent. He wanted to leave behind a legacy, and this is work that you and the scientists are doing to help someday find a cure for this.
Absolutely.
Karen, thank you so much for coming on. Karen Pollock, an IU Professor of Pediatrics. Thank you so much. Again, you can learn more about the research Karen and her team are doing. Just visit fox59.com/links. 9:17 on this Wednesday. Let's get a check of your hot forecast. Humid too.
Yeah, a little touch of